In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit designs in Canva. If you need to update an old presentation, change the layout of a text section, or replace an outdated image in an existing Canva project, the process is much easier than it may seem. You do not need to rebuild the entire design from scratch just to make a few simple edits. Canva gives you a clean editing workspace and helpful tools that let you update your design quickly while keeping everything organized. To begin, open Canva and go to your main dashboard. From there, you can either browse through your recent designs on the home screen or select the project section from the left-hand sidebar. Take a moment to find the exact design you want to work on, then open it to launch the editing workspace. Once it loads, you will see your design on the canvas and all the tools you need around it. Now let's start with text. Click directly on the text box you want to change. When the text becomes editable, you can highlight the existing words and type in your new copy. If you also want to change how the text looks, use the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where you can adjust the font, size, color, and style. These controls are useful when you want to refresh the design without disturbing the overall layout. Next, if you want to replace an image or graphic, click on the area of the design that contains the current visual. Then go to the left side panel and choose Elements if you want to search Canva's library, or Uploads if you want to use your own media. Once you find the new image, drag it over the existing frame or image area and drop it in place. Canva will usually fit it automatically, which saves time and helps preserve the original structure of the design. After that, you can make small positioning adjustments. Click any text box, shape, or graphic and move it carefully across the page. As you do, Canva will show alignment guides to help you line things up neatly. These guides are especially helpful for keeping your design balanced and professional looking. Before you finish, review the entire design from top to bottom. Check that your text is correct, your images look clean, and nothing is too close to the edges. Canva saves your changes automatically, so there is no need to manually save as you go. When you are happy with the result, use the share button in the top right corner to download the updated design or create a link for collaboration. That's it. You now know how to edit designs in Canva quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.